Hello YouTube, my name is Danny. I want to welcome all you guys to my channel. Today we will be unboxing this Yoshimura exhaust made for the Honda Grom, specifically for the 2017 models to the 2020 models. I did receive this the other day from, actually purchased this from Revzilla.com. They did a great job packaging. This actually was all bubble wrapped inside of another box to make sure that it was not damaged from shipping. Go ahead and, by just looking at the box, I really like the box. I like the Yoshimura stickers all over it. We will go ahead and just open it and see what's inside. Just gonna pop that over there, don't mind that. Put everything on the table. It looks like piping. Go ahead and move this out the way for you. Go ahead and get this out the way. Sorry about that. All right, so it looks like we have the exhaust pipe in here. Some sort of instructions. Let's see. Yes, we have some instructions, keys, and actual booklet. Looks like the hangers and everything for it, the hook, rubber bushings. Look at that. Looks like it came with a baffle for it. Probably not going to put that in. I like it real loud to make sure that everybody on the road hears me, so probably not going to use that, but it comes with it just so you know. And we have here, it looks like part of the exhaust. Let's see what's inside. Just like I'm sure you've seen exhaust on a Honda Grom, they're all pretty much the same, but this was actually pretty nice quality by Yoshimura. The other part of the header. Looks really nice. Welds on it are really clean. Very nice piece of sheen. And here it is. Always love the look on the Yoshimura exhaust with the carbon fiber on it. We'll just go ahead and get it out of this packaging here real quick. And here it is. Beautiful in the packaging, obviously, as well still. Let me go ahead and get it out for you guys. This thing looks amazing. I'm sure you have to see this in person. It looks better than it does in person than it does on the camera. This is amazing. I love the weave on the actual exhaust muffler. Very beautiful. I cannot wait to hear this on the Honda Grom. I'm sure I've had one on my old Honda Ruckus, but on the Grom it's probably going to be even better. Love this thing. So here it is, guys. The Yoshimura exhaust for the Honda Grom. You got all the, put this away, your headers and your actual exhaust. Also, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time, guys.